Hello, colleagues and fellow educators. My name is Neves Teresi. I am delighted to invite you to join me at the upcoming MMVC26 online conference on integrating technology in education. This year, my presentation explores a subject that is rapidly transforming our profession, my virtual colleague. Together, we will reflect on the horizon of artificial intelligence, moving past simple administrative tools to consider what a responsive, lifelike digital avatar could offer us as a reflective teaching partner. We will explore both the exciting possibilities for classroom reflection and the essential human limits that must always remain in the hands of real teachers. Join the conference online, participate in the discussions, and let's shape the future of educational technology together. I look forward to seeing you there. I can't wait to connect with you at MMVC26, taking place exclusively online on August 1st, 2026. You can explore the full program and join each live Zoom session by clicking the link right below this video. Thank you so much and see you online.